Hi guys, Colin here from Classes.ie and Courses.ie. So guys, in this video we're going to have a quick look at how we would place a hyperlink within a Microsoft Word document, so that if you want to click here, and then it takes them to a web page or wherever the location that you want them to go to is. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open up Microsoft Word. Remember guys, if this is the first video you've looked at on the channel, please do make sure to subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, please do like it. Really helps me. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up Microsoft Word. We have a blank document first of all. I'm going to put in a bit of text, and anyone that has seen any of my videos in the past, you'll know we just put in the equals rand, open brackets and close the brackets, and it gives us this wee bit of random text. So it's telling us here video provides a helpful way. So I just use this for getting sample text on the screen. I don't tend to like students typing out. It takes too long. Some people are faster at typing than others. Now I'm going to zoom in a wee bit on that. My screen's a wee bit shaky today. I have a different setup today. I'm just on the fly today. So just say, for example, if we wanted to enter something here, I'm just going to say to view the web page, click here. Okay, if we wanted, we could put it in nice big capital letters. Okay, and that's where we want our hyperlink to go to. So we want people to see that in nice blue, like everyone has associated hyperlink with in the past. And this goes for the same if you're putting it into Excel or PowerPoint or anything. It doesn't matter, it's all the same. So the first thing we do is we go to our web browser and we get a website. So we go to the website that we want people to go on. So I have my own website open here, Classes.ie. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click at the top here where it says https // So you go to whatever you want to go to there. You know, it could be news or sports or whatever it is. We select it and then we copy it. So whichever way you want to copy it, you can secondary click and copy, right click and copy. You can Control and C if you're using a Windows, or you can Command and C if you're using an Apple Mac, which I'm using here. It doesn't matter, it's all the same thing. The process is all the same. Microsoft allows you to work across all the platforms now. So then we go back to our Microsoft Word. We select where we want the hyperlink to be, and once we're in there, there's two options the way to do it. We can right click or secondary click, and we can go to link, okay, or we can go to, or in earlier versions it could say insert hyperlink, or we can go to the insert menu up in the top. I'm just going to go full screen just so you can see this better. So we go insert up at the top, and over on the right hand side or in the middle you have the option for link. Earlier versions you may see hyperlink, but it's called link now. So once we click on it, you can see it's slightly different. Some people may see a different window. On the bottom, you'll see this address section. The quickest way to do it is click in there, and then we want to paste. So like the rest of it, you can paste when we were copying, we were Control and C or Command and C. When we're pasting, it's Control and V or Command and V for an Apple. Or you can right click and paste, and it'll put it in there for you. So we copy from the address bar of the web browser and we paste it in here. Once we're happy to paste it, we just click on OK. You can see now it has this hyperlink in for us, and if we were to click on that hyperlink, it will take us straight to Classes.ie. So that's the quickest way of putting a hyperlink in anywhere in a document. You go to the document you want to do, you get your text ready, so click here or whatever you want to do. You then go to your internet browser, you go to the website that you want to link to, you copy the URL, and the URL is that area up at the top, the www as we associate it with. We select it and we copy it. We go back to Microsoft Word, we select the area that we want to put the link into, and we right click and go to link or insert hyperlink. Or we can use the insert hyperlink button on the top menu bar, insert link or insert hyperlink on older versions, and that automatically puts it in. You just put it in the area where it is. Now there is more options there, and you can see for doing the likes of, I have to select a bit of text first. There is more options for if you wanted to go to a different part in the document, or if you want to put an email in, but for this lecture we're just looking at that web page or file, so we put it in there. And that means that if you then create a PDF or anything with that, that link stays maintained. And it looks a lot tidier or a lot neater than you having www.somethingcomputerclasses.ie or whatever the case is in there. So it just tells people, click here, and that is. Okay guys, I hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you do like the video, just make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click the wee bell so you get notifications of any new videos that I may put out. Lovely, thanks. I'll see you soon.